Can you hold it? I'm just curious. Can you hold it this way and do it? You get a little more control with it. Okay? Let's do that.
Mushrooms.
Do you know what kind of mushrooms?
No.
Portobello. Can you say that?
Portobello.
Portobello mushroom. Do you like mushrooms?
No.
But you like cooking them.
Ready.
It's ready.
Will you check them?
What am I checking? It's warm in there. Hold on. You're going to set the timer again?
To 10.
To 10. You like that timer.
Because this pizza has to be cooked very long. That's what because the longer you cook it, the yummier it is.